Alright, we got the new base for the rocket stove here. This one's not quite as easy to light. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but I got it running now, and it's fully up to temperature. Got a few new heat risers on here. Well, this one was the one from the last video, and I didn't have any major cracking, but I did have the material get kind of flaky on the inside. I think I didn't have enough of the plaster of Paris in the mix, so it was kind of light. But I patched it up on the inside with a heavier mix of Portland and plaster of Paris, water glass and clay, and the powdered aircrete. The base here I built in 2 sections, just a flat slab on the bottom, and form this with 2x4s and a 4x4. The back section has an opening that I just kind of formed by hand. It's a little smaller than 4x4. I just put these also in after the fact. Just drill them with my knife, get a little extra airflow towards the combustion area. This has an opening where I lit it from. You get smoky when that area is opened up while it's running. See, we got a crack here that's been here for a little while. Once I burned this one time and dried it out, like I said, it got powdery on the inside, not really cracking issues, and I coated it with the water glass and let it kind of soak in, and it started cracking and separating after I fired it again. So that's something to notice from that experimentation. Not really something I think will be useful. I think this is the only crack I have forming in this one, and it's a mixture of plaster of Paris, Portland cement, clay, powdered aircrete, and sodium silicate water glass. No reinforcement as far as wire mesh or any kind of tensile structures in the mix. I think I'll try and form some of these with some grasses from the area, see if that'll add some tensile strength to the mixture and keep it from cracking. That seems to be a pretty common theme. This one was built with just Portland cement, and it's holding up well after the initial crack. I don't see any new structural problems forming. The inside has been through several fires, and it still feels hard, not chipping away or getting flaky. We'll see what the temperature measurements here are. I think our fire might not be doing so hot right now. So we're over 625 down at the base there. I did have the top here over 500 here a minute ago, but let's see if I can't get the fire going. I think we were hovering around over 100 on the outside when I was that hot. I think this base might need to be broken down and reformed with more Portland cement or plaster of Paris. It's a little thin, but we'll see what the cracking looks like once I get a few fires in. Alright, that's it for this one.